Hi everyone, Liz here, thanks for stopping by. So today I've got something a little bit different, and again I've been waiting for this one coming, so yay! Okay, so this is from 4kidsat147. Our lovely Rebecca, which I follow her a bit like a stalker. So I've opened the box so that I don't have to stuff with the tape while I'm talking to you. Okay, so that looks like that's my invoice. Yep, that's my invoice. Okay, and these are just some little bits to help me with my diamond painting and my organisation. But this lovely tissue paper, very pretty. That's lovely. Okay, so I have a new diamond painting tray, which is absolutely wonderful. It's a lot bigger than I thought. Rebecca's hubby, so Mr. 4kidsat147, has been making these, and they're a lovely diamond shape, as you can see. You've got your little lip there to stop your diamonds escaping, and you've got some little, I don't think you can see that there. Yep, you can. You've got some little grips here just on the side, so as you're holding it to shake your tray, you've got something to hold on to. But yeah, it's definitely bigger than it looks when Rebecca does her videos and uses it. You've got your little stopper as well. Ooh, so we'll have a look at that and put some drills in it. Oh, and we've got 4kidsat147 on the end there as well. Very nice, branded. Okay, like that, like that. So that's the first thing. The next thing is Rebecca and her daughter Megan have designed this diamond painting logbook. As you know, I do keep a logbook. I do like to know when I bought something, where I bought it from, how much it cost. It helps when I'm doing my accounts at the end of the year as well, which I still need to do for the end of April. But I will get on and do that. But it's a lot more fun diamond painting than it is doing accounts. But anyway, but this will help me with that. And this is Rebecca's motto. Look, if you hear a voice within you say you cannot paint, then by all means paint, and that voice will be silenced. And that's Vincent van Gogh, or Van Gogh, depending on how you pronounce it. I say Van Gogh, but anyway. So yeah, okay, so we'll have a look at that. And then I've just got some extra little bits as well. I do like this tissue paper. I will be keeping the tissue paper. You know me, keep everything just in case it comes in. I ordered some extra pages of the stash log pages so that I can put them into my book, so that I've got some extra, because I know I want to put my old diamond paintings is this as well, try and catch up with everything and have everything in one place if I can, or I may just start from my new ones. I haven't decided yet. Maybe start from my new ones and see how I get on, because I have done a lot and it will take a lot of doing. Okay, and then I think you've seen before, I've had some of the labels before, and these are just slightly different ones. These are all for sale at 4kidsat147.com, which is Rebecca's shop. They have designed and done all these themselves, and I've got some of these already, but I just thought I'd have a look at this one. This one is you have title, date start and date finish, purchase details and notes on that one. So they're just little self-adhesive square stickers that you'll just peel off and pop onto the back of your canvas, or if you're putting them into portfolios or whatever, you can put it on the back or the front so that you know you've got them. And what have we got? 8, 12, 16, 20, 24 of those. And then I've got 24, yeah, of the just standard ones that Rebecca does. And again, you've got your name, your shop, your size, and whether it's a round, square or special. And again, just to put onto your diamond painting. I've got some of the plain ones that I've printed out. Rebecca did kindly have a free download for you to download these and use them on your canvases. But I quite fancied the ones with the diamonds on as well. So I thought we'd upgrade a bit. Okay, so I'll just pop those back in there. Let's have a look at this book. All nicely packaged. I like the big clips, ends, ring binder part. Very nice. so precise and everything as well. Just really, really, I wouldn't expect anything else. They're just wonderful. So, oh, and this is like a plasticky, so that's like a bookmark, and it's like a plasticky material, not paper. It's I think you can sort of hear that, and it's got a diamond on the bottom, but it's a really good saying that. Okay, so we've got diamond painting logbook, we've got my stash, and I've got my extra pages here, so might as well put the extra pages in, start as we mean to go on, and it'll just keep them nice and flat and stop them getting dog-eared. Okay, so we've got kit name completed, so you can list all your different diamond paintings there, look. Okay, so we've got a nice list and then just a notes page at the end, which is brilliant. Okay, so these will just fit. I won't need that one, I'll keep that one to one side. And these should just now fit here. Yeah, you just literally, I don't think you can see that. These sort of, I can't think what they're called, but you just literally just push. It's easy to do it on a flat surface. And the little tabs just go either side of the like ring and just fasten in, so that then you've got like your ring binder, so you can just fold them over and use them. So that's great. So that's to do a list and the date completed, so I'll know which ones I've got. And what I might do is write at the top and put square diamond paintings, special diamond paintings, or round diamond paintings. And I might even have separate ones for like kitted up or not kitted up. Maybe just put a little extra box and just put kitted up ready, so I can look on my list and see which ones I've got ready. But, yeah, oh, this is just lovely. Look at that, and some nice note paper at the end. So my wish list, this is the one I ought to have got the extra things for. So it's telling me the name, the shop, and where we've bought it from, so that's fab. That will just go on forever. Oh dear, there's definitely not enough pages there. Don't know if you're like me, but I've got a wish list. It's like a toilet roll. It just goes on and on and on and on. So we've got a list of all the DMC numbers and whether you've got spares of rounds or squares. And I suppose you could stick your rounds and your squares on there for your colours. Might make it a bit lumpy though for the book. But that's just an idea. But yeah, that's handy to know. So if you're looking for, say you've run out of 3813, you can look in your book and you think, oh, I've got it in round, but I've not got it in square. So you'd know whether you need to buy those or not. And you could possibly put an extra thing on if you've got the AB colour of that one as well. Maybe just put a little tick at the other side here where there's a gap and just put that you've got the AB of that colour. Just extra little bits that you can do. You know, again, it's yours, so you can personalise it. Oh, now then, we don't need to do that. Look, should have looked here. So you can tick off whether you've got the special or the AB as well. Wow. Oh, they've thought of everything with this. This is wonderful. And each section has a note page at the end as well, which is fab. Loving this. Excellent. Okay, so then these are your log pages. So you can look through, and this is where you're going to, you can put your picture here of your painting that you've done, and you can say whether it's poured glue, double-sided tape, whether you've kept it, gifted it, give yourself a mark out of 5 stars, how long you can even log your time there, look, and everything. Again, a nice notes page. Okay, so that's, yeah, really, really good. So plenty of those, look, plenty of pages there. Okay, now we've got a time tracker, look, so we can see how long we've spent. So you can say I'm doing a Scotty dog picture just for a change. So you can put Scotty dog picture, the date that you got it, and then you can put your time you started and your time you finished, and then you can work out how long you're spending on your painting. So on that, I would tend to round it up to maybe 10 or 20 minutes rather than doing it, you know, 11 minutes 9:30 to 23 minutes past 2 or something like that. And yes, I do spend hours at a time knitting, because you've got to work it out then, but if you round it up, it just makes it easier. Or is that just me? Maybe so. Okay, so I've got quite a few pages there, and I do think you can buy all these spare as well. So if you check out the website, you'll be able to see. And then it looks like we've just got a lovely set of notebooks at the end, just some nice, so you can put your notes and your thoughts there. So that is absolutely wonderful. Love that. I'm really impressed. Really impressed. I'm just going to stick this bookmark at the front here. Again, just push those down either side and they just clip into place there. Okay, should I have maybe put that at the top? I think I should have put that at the top, look. So we'll do it that way so that it, so it stands out there, look, so you can see it. So if that's the page you're working on, say you're doing your time, you would put that so that when your book's closed, you know you can open to that page there. So that's really good. Excellent, excellent. Love that. Brilliant. So let's have a look at this tray. Yeah, it's got quite a rough. I was going to say it's got a rough bottom, but you'll know what I mean. It's not smooth. It's got a textured bottom. Textured is not rough. So it's not going to slip when you've got it on your tray or whatever. And good stopper there. I do like the shape of this as well, and it is actually, it's a really good hold. Yeah, I tend to diamond paint right-handed, so I tend to have my tray in this hand and my left hand. So yeah, but that's a really good fit. I like that. Just a really good hand size. Let's see what the drills are like. I've got some 310s here. See how they just go into there. Oops, sorry, I've got some unstoppables in here as well. I was told that these stop static, but actually I've found that unstoppables aren't really stopping the static. Not like just having a tumble dryer sheet. So, oh, and now I've dropped my black drills all over the floor. Oh, unfortunately, not many have come out. Okay, so let's give them a little shake. Oh, look how they've lined up. Hey, that is pretty impressive for the first time use. I do think with everything, any new tools or any new trays or whatever, you do need to get used to them. But that has just lined those up wonderfully, look. And for your multi-placing, they've really just lined up really well. I am impressed with that. That is really good. So yeah, like that. I think these come in grey and pink, but I had to have the pink. I can't not have a pink. And to be fair, I do work with a lot of greys and blacks and things, because I do tend to do a lot of animals and a lot of Scotty dogs, and the drills do tend to be greys and blacks and things. So having a grey tray and trying to see a grey drill, I've just got no chance with my eyesight. So I found that the pink will probably be easier for me. And I do tend to change trays as well. If I did find I had a colour pink, like this colour that I was working on, I would use a white tray, because then I can see the drills better. But I am impressed with that. They have really lined up nicely. So let's see how they pour back into the bag. Take the little stopper out. And let's just, as I say, this is straight out the box. I've not done anything with this. Just give them a little helping hand there. Just one that's decided to be awkward. But yeah, they've all just gone in. That's completely empty. I think, can you see down there? Oops. Can maybe see it better from that end. Can you see? Yeah, you can see through there, look. You can see right down to the bottom. You can see the blue. There's none left in there. Just that awkward little one that got stuck here. But that's possibly more to do with the drill than the tray. But that's lovely. Oh, I'm definitely going to be using that one. I have got a favourite tray that I use that did cost me quite a bit, because it came from America. But I think this one's going to be right up there with that, if not surpassing it. but I'll definitely be using this one. And I'm going to be doing Rebecca's challenge of 30 sections over 30 days. Sorry, one section over 30 days. I don't know what we're calling it. It was an advent calendar at Christmas, but we're doing it one section at a time, one section a day in June. So I've got to kit that one up yet because I can't think which one to do, because I love all my paintings. I've just got 3 new customs and I think I might use one of those. But yeah, so I've got a logbook. We've got a great tray, and if I can find them, oops, just put them out the way. We've got some stickers. So wonderful. Thank you very much, Rebecca, Megan and Mr. 4kidsat147, because I love my tray and I love all the things I've got, and I shall certainly be using them. So I hope you've enjoyed seeing these with me. If you want to see a bit more, please press the subscribe button down here, and you'll maybe see me using these in future videos. Well, you will see me using these in future videos. But thanks for watching, and I hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.